Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am getting ready to make my Kill a Kit with Style for the month of July. And if you couldn't tell from these photos, we are going to be doing a Christmas in July theme. So these are my 2019 Christmas photos that I need to have happen. And I'm not exactly sure why Lana is losing it over Christmas photos, but she is. My plan for this kit is to actually just pull stuff enough to finish this project. Like basically this is all that is left for my 2019 albums and I want to finish it. So I've already sorted. So this will be a layout, a picture of my husband and I. This will be a layout, just one of him. This will be, probably this will be a layout. I don't know if these two will be together or separate, but one of Chloe and Lana. Our Christmas breakfast photo, you can kind of see Chloe. She's hiding behind the orange juice. I do have some tassies. These are little pecan tarts that I make. Lana distributing Christmas presents. I have a couple of Christmas cards that I want to make sure are documented. The tree. Alex's stuff wasn't out here. That was a hard one. And then we have the girls opening up their recipe albums that I made them. And then we'll have these two, which are just photos of Chloe and Lana opening presents. And then the last thing I have are our ticket stubs from going to watch Star Wars on Christmas Day. So my plan is to scrapbook all of these things. So how many layouts is that going to be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 if I decide to do them separately. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 if I decide to do that Christmas tree separately. So 12 to 13 layouts. So I know I'm going to need at least 12 to 13 pieces of paper. So I'm going to put these in here so that I will have them ready to go. And let's get to making this kit, huh? All right, guys, I've pulled out the Christmas stuff, which is this one plastic thing here, and then I also have a photo box of things. So let's do this. So I know I need at least 12 papers, right, for backgrounds. Ooh. I'm gonna pull out the project pad because I have a feeling there's gonna be things in here I would like to use. Ooh, these are pretty. Okay, we're gonna pull out that one because that's gorgeous. We're gonna pull out that one because that's gorgeous. But this is a cut apart, so I know I'm not gonna be able to use that. I'm gonna pull out that one. Almost had a moment where I lost everything, guys. Okay, I like that one. I mean, maybe I should just pull out the project pad. Well, there is a lot of you know what? I'm not going to go through this one by one. We're just gonna pull out this entire project pad because there's a lot of gorgeousness in here. And I just think that I could use the gorgeousness. Okay. Just gonna flip through these papers just to see if there's anything I might need. Let's see what we got here. I do believe this is all very gold, and where's that one sheet? Where's that one? Here. What I'm gonna do is leave this like this so I can see what will coordinate from my stash. So this vellum, it's basically an entire thing. I'm just gonna pull out the partial sheet. Okay. So I have that. I have silver, but this is mostly gold. You guys know I don't mind mixing metals, but in this case, I want to just kind of keep this easy. Huh, I had 2 sheets of white cardstock in my Christmas stash. We'll just add that as well. Not the exact red. Is there any black in here? No, there's not really black, so I'm not going to pull this one in, even though that's a gorgeous piece of paper. And this is a very white, so I'm not going to pull that cream in there. There are just a couple little bits of stickers left on that one, so I'm going to bring that in and see if I can't get a good hunk of it used up. It's just a good red to have on hand. I'm going to not pull out the Heidi Swap Christmas pad that I have in here. But I will bring in this little bit of dark wood grain because I do like that. Kind of feeling that merry and bright with the other wood grain that's in here, so I'm going to pull in that. Let's see, what else do I want to bring in here? I think this might be all the paper I bring in. Or pull in some thickers. So you might have heard the front door squeaking there for a moment. My husband came in and immediately got onto a conference call for work. And I mean immediately, like he slammed the door, dropped his bag, and logged on for his conference call. So I just kept going because I wanted to pick out my stuff, right? So sorry this wasn't live and live thoughts while I was doing it. But I am in my little photo box of Christmas goodies. I decided to bring in some wood veneer because I thought that it really went with the stuff that I had already picked out. So I picked out cold, I picked out the word believe, I pulled in some Christmas trees. Now I thought about bringing in these frames, but ultimately they got put off to the side. And then I'm just going through and looking at the things that are here in this box. So some of them are little pieces of paper. Some of them are partially used sticker sheets. This one here, the Echo Park one, caught my fancy because there's lots of little bits still left on it, like the little stars and the little snowflakes. And then I liked both of these washi tapes. One is a plaid and one is kind of like twigs and holly berries. So I pulled that one out and I'm just kind of like looking through my stuff and trying to figure out what I'm doing. Now that poinsettia, that quilled poinsettia right there, let me just tell you guys, I made that over 15 years ago and I have never put it on a layout. I just love it and I like it in my Christmas stuff and I've never put it on a layout and I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. So I pulled out this Life Organized sticker book. That's from Paper House. And then I was just trying to debate if I wanted to bring in some other stuff. And ultimately, I didn't go for any more of the things. Probably should get a new photo box as that one's exploding. Now, I did use the scrapbook.com sticker book. I got that last year and actually never ended up using it in my December album because it's all gold and last year's color was silver. So there it is, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me as I made my smallest Kill a Kit ever. And I will see you guys again real soon for another video.